fatness there.
All right.
So many
I'm about to take these boys out in airsoft.
No way.
No, we're gonna crush you.
They're getting what's coming to them.
Look,
I was born for this.
Give me the phone, give me the phone. Okay, Luke, come here. Look at our gear. Okay, look, we're good. My dad.
Boom! Let's go.
Got the earmuffs, helmet,
Let's
that
go. Let's go. Let's do this. They're going down. These boys out. One shot at a time.
So, what's your game plan? My game plan is to dominate him because he's so bad. Oh!
Why can't I crush him?
Oh, Isaiah, you look so cool. So, these are the boys' gear. That stuff compared to... And my dad's got 3 layers. Well, that's it. Bye. My dad's making the shelter, I guess. What's your plan to defeat them today?
I'm gonna attack Rook.
Alright. And do you think you're gonna win again?
Yeah.
Confident? They are not confident. You have a more likely chance to win.
All right, Luke, just shoot me in the back so I can feel it.
Oh.
Ow! Oh!